Okay, so you can ask some question and test my English. We are not doing mistake.
No, no, no. Actually, I don't want to test you here. We'll just, talk about you, your family, what do you do, how do you manage, है ना?
No, actually, no. I want you taste my English because everyone, whenever I make conversation, so everyone speak like this. They ask about my family, what I do, what I like. But no one here to taste my English, like where I am, how, where I do
Ach-
mistake. So
अच्छा,
yeah,
अच्छा,
I
अच्छा,
want
ठीक है.
everyone
I just
correct
want
me.
to tell you one thing. Being an English teacher, the first thing which I have noticed.
So first, you tell about yourself.
So my name is Neeta. I'm from
Mm-hmm.
Uttarakhand, and
Mm-hmm.
right now I am like in a school, working in a school,
Mm-hmm.
and I love painting, cooking, sometimes gardening. That
Mm-hmm.
is all.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, so yeah, my name is
Hmm.
Prarthana Sharma. I am from
Hmm.
Madhya Pradesh. Uh,
Hmm.
I I completed my graduation, and I am married. I have two kids, and
Right.
I am house manager. I'm not doing anything extra. I'm take caring only my family,
You are
and
doing a fabulous job, Pratna. Whatever you're doing, that is absolutely fabulous because managing a house is one of the biggest tasks which not everyone can do. Working somewhere else is very easy, but when you are managing the house, it means you are doing each and everything.
yeah, you are right. And
Hmm.
every woman, like I think every woman do this job because if she's a working woman, but first the take care of our home, then she go outside. So I think every woman
She
do
goes outside, huh?
yeah, she goes outside. So
Hmm.
every woman do like this.
Hmm.
Okay, so yeah, I know you are English trainer, and that's why I am very curious to make conversation with you because
Thank you.
because I am doing lots of mistakes. So I
Doesn't
found
matter. We learn from our mistakes, isn't it?
yes,
Actually, when we make mistakes, when we commit mistakes, then only we learn. And I think somewhere like learning and relearning is always the thing that we should keep it in mind.
yes, yeah, you are right.
Hmm.
So I am happy if anyone correct my mistake. Right now you are in school.
Yes, I am in school.
Okay,
Actually, I'm
but
just
these
doing it for time pass because I used to get bored at my home. I was not having
Mhm,
a lot of work to do because we have a
mhm.
joint family, and so everyone shares their responsibility. And so I was left out with nothing. And I thought of, going to
Yeah,
a school.
yeah, yeah, you keep yourself busy, and like you are enjoying there in their kid lots of kids, so whenever you teach and means every time you are enjoying there, I think.
Yes, I enjoy a lot with kids because kids are like they give you a new life. They
Yes,
bring happiness, they teach you a lot. It is like I'm not teaching them, they are teaching me the life skills. Actually, I feel sometimes when you see them, then you feel that to be with them, and you are actually being into your new life, your new childhood, where you are learning, when they do something, the way they talk. So I'm enjoying.
wow, it's amazing. So in which standards student do you teach?
I actually take sixth and seventh.
Hmm,
That's all.
okay. Wow. So is any if anyone want talk with you like you are English trainer. So if anyone want to talk with you, so
Wants
do
to
you
talk.
show your phone number? Like you
Actually,
are taking paid course, like not you are not teaching without paid course. Okay. So first like you if you want to show your phone number, otherwise how they can join you if anyone want learn from you.
Thank you so much. Actually, I would just like to throw a light on this, that though I've not started with any online classes and I don't have like much knowledge about you, this is for the first time that I'm going on live stream with you like this. But if
Uh-huh.
anyone is interested, then the person can join me on Skype or Zoom or Teams. I'm available in Teams, Zoom, and this Skype now.
Okay, so you can share your amount because
uh,
everyone. Yeah.
yeah, so in the beginning, if there are more than 10 students and
Mm-hmm.
want to be in group, then it would be 300. But if like a single child is there, then it would be 700
In a month.
in a month.
Yeah, it's not a too much money. Everyone can pay. I think it's very little amount, and you are thinking very good. And I want to join there. If I collect first, I collect a 10 member, then I join there.
No, no, no. For you, it is free of cost. You can, whenever you feel like, because you are my friend also.
Yes.
So you can join me anywhere, anytime, whenever you feel like, when you want to learn anything, though you're really trying hard. And I don't think so that I need to tell you anything. Only few like grammatical errors you are making, but I think which is okay, absolutely fine. Right.
Okay.
When you're learning, you make mistakes and gradually learn. Right.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, you if anyone give like this said like this, so we feel like yeah, I can do.
You are really doing a great job, Pratna.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Thank. Okay, so you can ask some question and test my English. We are not doing mistake.
No, no, no. Actually, I don't want to test you here. We'll just, talk about you, your family, what do you do, how do you manage, है ना?
No, actually, no. I want you test my English because everyone, whenever I make conversation, so everyone speak like this. They ask about my family, what I do, what I like. But no one here to taste my English, like where I am, how where I do
Ach-
mistake. So
अच्छा
yeah,
अच्छा
I
अच्छा
want
ठीक है.
everyone
I just
correct
want
me.
to tell you one thing. Being an English teacher, the first thing which I have noticed
Uh-huh.
here, again, it is not for rectification or anything. It is just like if you want to get it into yourself, whenever you are using subject, right
Okay.
now, subject, I mean to say that if you're talking about yourself, or if you're talking about someone who is like, you are talking about a single person, like you said, she, he, you're
He.
always going to use s form of verb, right? Like
Yes.
she goes,
Yes.
he
Yeah.
goes, right?
Yes.
Huh.
Yes.
I go, we go. So if it
Go.
is plural, you are going to use singular form of verb. It is like to remember it into the simpler way. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
This is one thing that I have noticed, that you made mistakes in few of the sentences, but you were speaking so confidently that I didn't feel like interrupting in between. And
Yeah, whenever I say to anyone, please
uh,
correct my mistake and please catch my mistake and correct me. So they say you are speaking very confidently, how I interrupt in between means yeah, two and
yes,
three saying this.
actually,
It's
yes. When we are, talking to one another, when we are actually interacting, and the person is speaking something right, then you cannot intervene in between. So
yeah,
sometimes it really becomes difficult that you speak something and we are there to stop you. No, stop. It is wrong, right? The
yeah, you are
maybe,
right.
maybe like when we'll chat for like second or third time, I'll be
Mhm.
more like,
Yeah. Okay.
So what were you doing right now?
Right now, I was just taking a nap, you can say.
All right.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And yeah, nothing. I just have my lunch. Yeah,
Hmm.
lunch. And then
You
I
had
was
your
taking.
lunch. Huh. Huh.
I had my lunch. Then
Huh.
I
Huh.
taking rest.
Okay, you were taking rest. Absolutely nice. So it
Yes.
means that I disturbed you.
No, no, not at all. Actually, I just took my kids to sleep. What
Hmm.
say? Go to
Huh.
bed because my kids without me if I not go bed, so my kids they are walking here and there. So
Okay,
first I
so they
collect
need
food.
you.
Yeah, first
This
I
is
collect
actually
them.
motherly love.
Yeah, and when they sleep, that time
Hmm.
I get up.
Acha.
and I do my work like editing and talking with anyone. So yeah,
Acha. That is
yeah,
great. That
it is
is
my
great.
free time.
It is your free time now.
Yes.
Right. So how are you managing all this, Pratna, with your kids, then home, and then this YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's little difficult,
Hmm.
and yeah, but if you passionate about anything, so if you passionate about anything, so you get time like
Okay, so
mm,
this is your passion.
yeah,
Hmm.
like learning English, and these days I enjoy YouTube journey. So
Ah,
whenever I get time, so I do
hmm.
like my YouTube work, editing, and
Hmm.
yeah, there are lots of work.
Editing.
Yeah,
Ah,
editing,
fine.
writing, uploading video, and everything.
Okay,
Yeah.
you write also? What do you write?
Actually, whenever I upload videos, so description, title, tag, there are lots of things to write on YouTube. So first
Oh.
I write, and nothing special I write. But initial day when I started learning this language, that time I wrote lot of things I did, like present daily routine, past daily routine, future daily routine, how to meet anyone, how to ask
Hmm.
question, means everything. I
Huh.
started beginning like in zero level, you can say.
Ha, I know this thing. And that is why
So
I can proudly say that you're really like you have learned and you're really working hard.
yeah, thank you so much. But yeah, yeah, it's a true. I really did hard. That's
Hmm.
why I able to speak. I feel
Ah,
this thing. But nowadays, it's easy for me. Everything like editing video, uploading video, and means talking to anyone. I feel
okay.
comfortable in this language. So yeah,
Really
I feel
great
I
to hear
enjoy.
this.
This did I enjoy.
Great. Okay, tell me something more about yourself.
Myself.
Ah.
Actually, if I what tell about myself, actually, about
Hmm.
me everything very well.
Hmm.
But yeah, I am like this person. If anyone say ki, I want talk with you, and I am very tired, but I don't know why I start talking. I not say no, I am tired and I not want
Hmm.
talk with you. No,
You
I
don't
just
want to.
start.
Acha, you cannot say no, actually.
Yeah, I can't say. Yeah, I can't. I cannot
Uh-huh.
say no to anyone.
Maybe this is your passion for your work,
Yeah,
isn't
and
it? Ah.
and if I want like my feeling is not good, I not want join anything.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
don't know why I go and join. That means I talk them.
So it
Yeah,
is great, Pratna, that you're taking out time for yourself,
yeah.
isn't it?
So okay, you tell me this
Hmm.
next year. I think after 2 days, 2 days.
Hmm.
Yeah, after two
Yeah.
days, we will celebrate our new year. So in
Yes.
this new year, what you do? Like, are you think
Okay,
about
my
anything?
resolutions.
Yeah.
So, Pratna, basically, resolutions since childhood, all have been taking resolutions, but somehow we are not able to complete our task resolutions. So, for year 2024, I have just, thought of keeping myself in peace. I don't want to, take any resolution or anything like where I would not be able to do that. I just, want to keep myself busy in whatever I'm doing and just be happy and make people around me happy. That is all. Because now I've reached onto a like stage where I would not say that this resolution I have to
Yes.
do it like this or let's see.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
I
Okay.
can only say that let's start the new year with a positive note, right?
Yes. And
Uh,
you started like talking like this, taking like this session. So you made lots of friend. When you
hmm,
make like whenever you talk to anyone. So after taking session, like you means after talking half an hour, say 15 minutes, how much you
hmm,
want. We
hmm.
make new friend. Like I have friend list, you can say.
Really?
really. And they
Uh,
are all YouTuber, and sometimes they not a YouTuber, they want talk with
uh,
me and they want connect with me every time. So yeah,
mm,
it's very good for you and for everything. If anyone want to join like this
mm,
Skype app and they want to join this thing,
mm.
and so it's very good thing. I think they get lots of friend.
Really? Chalo. So I'll say that I'll be more busy with the Skype app in 2024.
Yeah, yeah,
New
more.
resolution taken.
Yes, and if anyone learn from you anything new things, so
Hmm.
it's very good for you and for everyone also.
Right.
Yes, na?
Hmm. Right. So
Okay.